Hello guys, leo we are gonna talk about urinary tract infection, commonly known as UTI. We know this is the most common infection. It is a rising common infection in mostly in ladies and some percentage in men. The infection is treatable, and it is not UTI is just a name, but there are several bacteria that causes UTI. But to get to know this bacteria, there's a test you need to do that is called urine culture. And the best urine to do this is in the morning so that you know which bacteria it is and the specific drug to treat it. So kindly do urine culture. Don't take drugs because you might be taking antibiotic and maybe it is a yeast infection. So you'll go back to the doctor and say you didn't get well, but let's get tested to know which kind of